is Andy. A question is, do you have an idol?
Yes, I do. I have an idol.
What is your idol's name?
One idol name is Rahadi Bangku.
What is your idol?
One idol,
What does or he always do?
he always fetching students.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Yes. My name is Nur Auliana. My question is, where does she always work? Where she always work? My adult, she work at school. What are your idol physical? My idol physical appearance are short and beautiful. What are your idol characteristics? My idol characteristics are friendly, kind, and full of love. What do you like your idol? I like my idol she kind. Thank you. Bye.
My name is Alvira Lametti. My question is, do you ever meet with your idol?
Yes, I do. I never meet with my idol.
How do you feel if you can meet with your idol?
If I can meet with idol, I feel very happy.
What will you do if you have opportunity?
Uh,